Hello everyone, my name is Suresh. I am from ECA branch. My startup company name is Univentures. Product present name Remote Monitoring and Control. Product proposal name Clicker. Empathizing. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the products as shared by the customer during the emphasizing activity. First one is remote start. Second one is location tracking. Define. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the exciting product. Exciting product name, remote monitoring and controlling car. Feature product name, clicker. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. First one is allow users to start or stop the engine remotely, which is useful for preheating or cooling the interior before entering the vehicle. Second one is real-time tracking of the vehicle location on a map, including historical route tracking and playback. Third one is some systems allow the car to act as a Wi-Fi hotspot, providing internet connectivity to the passenger devices. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video of comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage